In other cultures, it was a flat planet. And, you go off the edge and you would fall into hell.
Not in Maori.
In Maori, no. No.
I remember the story of Maupialu. Maybe you want to tell it.
Yeah, I mean, Maori and Maori Polynesian were all the same. So it was pretty much wrapped up in a nutshell when Maupialu and our tohunga, our expert, spoke about when our NASA expert asked him, how did your ancestors know that the Earth was round? And Maupialu looked up and he answered. He just was like, well, I remember when my father said to me, I look at the moon is round. I look at the sun is round. I think to myself, maybe the Earth is round. And so from that philosophy, that's basic, very simple, but very clear and connected to our environment. And that is making sense of what you're surrounded by. Not being lost in intellectualizing about something afar, but actually looking at what's surrounding you. And that informs what's really going on. These are the simple ways that our people look at our environment. They're not big and grand and highfalutin. They're just being connected with our environment and understanding it. And
common
therefore,
sense.
Yeah, the common sense that is not so common in this modern day, but to our elders and to that time, it was very common. And what we want to do is we want to see that becomes more common, not just to Maori, but to everyone. Because I think it is really important that everyone on this planet remembers what is common sense.
And what we're all about.
Yeah. And it's written up there in the stars, and we can bring that information down because it's still sitting there. The difference about, we have a Maori saying, Whatu ngaro ngaro he tangata toi tū te whenua. The eyes and the vision of the people might change. They might get lost. The land will always remain the same.
Right.
Back in pre-18th century, that might have been true. In the modern context, people can move mountains away and change the whole landscape. But people cannot move stars away. Whatu ngaro ngaro he tangata toi tū te whetsu. Toi tū te whetsu. The eyes and the vision of the people might change, but the stars will always be there. And in the recognition of one of my ancestors, Toa Rangatira, and his son, Marangai Pāroa, he recognized the stars above. And he said, however many stars there are up in the sky, a small cloud could block them all out, but they will never be obliterated. That is a double saying. One of the points is, what he's saying is that which has always naturally led our people will continue to lead our people no matter what incur, what we hit.
Kia ora and kia kaha.
Ai, kia koe hoki. Kia koutou rā, e mihi atu kia koutou. Nei rā te mihi atu, o tira he mātauranga Māori tēnei. No te tino rangatiratanga, hei tiaki, hei manaaki, ki o tātou nei mātauranga, he taonga o tātou nei tiriti o te waitangi, o tira he taonga o nehera, I mua a nehera. The knowledge that I share is the treasures of my ancestors. I ask that you treat it with respect and you acknowledge our people and that it is not used as a money-making project. Kia ora.
Thank you, Toa Waaka, for being our guests tonight, and I have absolutely enjoyed your stories, as I always do. And as once you taught me, whitia nana whetsu o te rangi, ko tākoto ake nei, ko papa tuanuku. Greetings from here from Aotearoa, kia ora and kia kaha.
Kia ora. E mihi Mauri ora kia koutou. Tēnā koutou. Kia ora.